up, guys? Welcome back to another one. So today we are currently in Aba. Aba is also one of the city in Abia State. Not just one of the cities, the major city in Abia State. So today I'll be driving around just to show you guys how Aba looks like as of in 2021. Hope you guys enjoy this ride with us as we move. So currently, I think we are around the slaughterhouse, the slaughter area in Aba. It's also a very well-known place, very popular area. Was it once the capital state, the capital city of
Abia State?
I think it was. Then later, I think they said the governor from Umuahia that carried the capital to Umuahia
So
during his reign.
Originally, Aba was the state capital of Abia State. Are you sure about that?
I heard something like that. I'm not really sure about
I think we
that.
need to make confirmation so that we won't speculate.
But when you check it in reality, you can see that Aba has that major city as a capital than Umuahia. Umuahia is kind of like very scanty, not that big.
He has the outlook of the major city. You know, he has the outlook of the major city.
So normally, major city are the capital city. Because like,
But it's not supposed to be so. Development is supposed to
no, because
spread across.
because it's capital. That's why development comes very fast. Sure you get just like what happened in Lagos. Then now Abuja was once a very remote place. Nobody is in Abuja, but today Abuja is kind of like one of the major cities also in Nigeria.
Because
So-
Lagos used to be
Capital of Nigeria.
of Nigeria, and then they moved it down to Abuja. But that's well explained. No, Aba has this feel of Port Harcourt.
Okay.
The weather, the looks, you know. Not the development though, no.
I don't think people from Port Harcourt are going to be happy with this statement. So that's the market square.
I stand to be corrected.
It's newly built. That's the market square. Very nice for grocery shopping. So it's a very nice place to come and do your grocery shopping.
I stand to be corrected. I just said Aba has a feel, like, you know, the weather. Probably it's just the weather.
And the looks also.
And the looks in a way.
That's what I'm saying.
Port Harcourt is an old city. Aba is an old
You're going to
city.
be unhappy with that.
Eh?
When you compare with the looks,
I can't
think,
compare. I can't compare with the looks. I said I stand to be corrected. I don't think I will ever want, even with the current structures that are being placed.
But I quite agree with you. I quite agree with you because Port Harcourt has this just have this vibe of like an ancient city.
Yeah.
just the same way Aba is. It's planned. I think it's planned by the Westerners. Port Harcourt and Aba is being planned by Westerners. So they are very old cities, and quite agree with you. But just that Port Harcourt is an oil city, and it's more developed.
I think Aba is also part of NDDC. Niger Delta.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. What am I even saying? I need to check maps and cross check these facts. But they are somehow connected. I'm not yawning and I feel very hungry. I need to eat.
So that's the Abia Polytechnic. Is it? No, okay. I think that's the local government. Sorry, I'm wrong. That's the local government ahead of us. Aba North local government headquarters.
Mr. Spino, don't explain.
So that's it by the right hand side. That's the entrance, the way to the local government. By the right hand side. So that's the Abia State Polytechnic by my right hand side. So that's the main gate, the entrance. Abia Poly. I think I have to go by the left hand side. I think problem with Aba is like whenever it rains in Aba looks messed up. During the dry season, Aba looks way better than during during the dry season, Aba looks very cool.
What are they waiting for to fix the road?
Yeah, and during the rainy season, Aba looks so messed up, like a slum. Spartacus. comes to gospel artists, Igbo gospel songs, the origin came from here in Aba. When you talk about Paul Mokocha, what's it called, John Alka, what's the other guy name? He's a popular guy, but I've forgotten his name. Most of them, they started from Aba here, and also the Dynamats. I don't know if you guys have heard this song, Abaz. They all started from here.
That was a classical song then.
No surprise why we got so many churches around here in Aba. So guys, I'm so sorry that I can't really tell you guys the exact places we are driving through, because we are not familiar with these roads, and we're just doing what we can. So
this is Maverton Avenue.
Yeah,
Maverton Avenue.
Yeah.
Even though there is not much familiarity, we can as well do what we can do to give you details of the location.
Honestly speaking, I think or people go verse now if I talk this one. Honestly speaking, I think Aba as of now has better roads than Owerri. Currently has good tarred roads. Better than Owerri. Owerri is nice, Owerri is fine, but the roads are messed up as of now. Currently messed up. When I go for secondary school, honestly. So guys, so far I hope you guys have been enjoying the drive. So when I go Bodono the sharp, all the sharp. Up and down, Bodono the sharp. Aba is beautiful. Aba is looking clean and neat now, more than before. It's not at his best, but it's getting better. It's getting better, and that's what we're looking forward for. Looking forward to a good state, a good city, clean and conducive environment for the residents, good access road, all that kind of stuff. So you guys can see for yourself. See the roads, well tired, not too narrow. Wow, I'm impressed. So impressed.
John Okafor for church program, Mr. Ibu. So you go attract crowd, I mean.
They only feature celebrities, people of God, and now looking for the devil's people.
People of the world.
People of the world, yeah.
He said there was people.
That's what he's referring to.
What the people are looked as evil
devil,
people.
the people, the seven devils.
I'm in the world, so I have to behave like someone who is in the world, giving to the world what the world gives me, right? This is Obo Hill, Ikoten Benin Road. This guy should come by in law. I'm trying to call me. 11:55. Lekota.
Let's Lekota you.
Let's Lekota.
Still getting very center.
What? Lekota Event Center.
Okay, like on the other place where those guys they do modeling.
The modeling clinic. I didn't find out. Where is that? Find out. Okay, oh, so they tried to charge her enough.
I'm done with it there.
That's one before the moon. So I come, Alpha. I did about, but I did about. I entered that yesterday. Voila. Hello? I entered that yesterday. Me say we enter back on the child any moment from now. Today. I'm going to check them in them. Just chop now. No, no be sure. You know, say, I also get one of my friends with me and the partner, they run content. All this content creation. Content creation, all those YouTube content now. The guy be a YouTuber, so do video vlog. Some shoots I may know my so nobody will. This morning now we just covered some locations. So I drive way through there. So any moment from now I'm gonna enter number. Can we get a number? In the one number or two. I'm not getting number. So what? dealerships around. Connection, collaboration. MRS. Okay, MRS. This road is called what? This road is called Obo Hill Aba Block Industry Side. Yeah, it's still Obo Hill. Where is big? This is 7-Up area. It's still Obo Hill. Oh my God. Oh, famished.
Guys, I think we're gonna end this video right here. This is the market square. It's kind of like a mini mall. I told you guys earlier, mostly for grocery shopping, and they also have all these fast food restaurants where you can have a quick meal. Also a cinema. There's also cinema in here. Kilimanjaro restaurant. They also have a pizza shop. They have a nice pharmacy and all that kind of stuff. So I think this video is gonna end right here, and hope you guys have enjoyed the drive, and I will see you guys when next I talk to you.
Always keep subscribing. Don't forget to keep and hit that subscription button
to support bros and sisters. If you want to see more of these videos, you already know what to do. You already know what to do.
And that is the end of this drive. Thank you. I'm far too kind. Keep watching.
or the one.